Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a poem. 1.1. The name of the poem is Time to Believe. The title of the poem itself delivering a great message to us. The time has come to believe within ourselves. We don't have to care the people around us or what they are thinking, what they thought about ourselves. That all doesn't matter. The main important thing is that it's the time to believe within ourselves. If we believe in ourselves, we can do whatever we want. So let's learn with the help of this poem. The poet of the poem is Bizet Morbizet. What he want to say in this poem? A Time to Believe, written by a poet Bizet Morbizet. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Is to trust that miracle happen and dream rarely do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the cloud. To know the wonder of a starred sky and wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are not alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. So, in this poem, a poet delivering a message clear cut with the help of various examples. We have to believe within ourselves. If we believe, we can do anything, whatever we want. And how to believe in ourselves with courageous and making the strength within ourselves to reach the success. How we have to think regarding to believe in ourselves. That he delivered by one during all the stanzas and giving the examples. So let's learn stanza wise. The first stanza. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracle happen and dreams really do come true. Miracles means rarity, the things which should be rarely happen. To believe is to know that in this poem, in the first stanza, the poet want to say what will happen, just forget it. But we have to believe within ourselves. Every day is a new beginning. By each and every day with the sunrise, the new beginning will be happening in our life. Whatever was the past, just forget it. Each and every day brings new hopes for us, new chance for us to making our day. Means we have to do with the help of each and every day, and we have to believe in ourselves and we can do. How it could happen? Miracles are happen. Miracles are happen means everything should be possible. Lot of the time we saw the things which are like look like so impossible. Then also it could be possible. Means miracles should be happen. Just the things we have to believe within ourselves. And dreams really come to true. Whatever we dreamed, what we saw in our dream, that we really come to know if we believe within ourselves. यहाँ पे पोएट कहते हैं कि हर दिन सूर्य के किरण के साथ जो हर दिन हर सवेरा होता है हमारे लिए एक नया मौका होता है, एक नई शुरुआत होती है। बीते दिनों में जो भी कुछ हुआ है उसे भूल के हमें नई शुरुआत करनी है। अपने अंदर एक विश्वास रखना है कि जो हमने सोचा है वो हमारा काम होगा, हम कर सकते हैं। बहुत सारे आश्चर्य मिरेकल्स हुए हैं, जो हमें काम बहुत कठिन लगता है, जो नहीं होगा ऐसा लगता है, वो भी हो सकता है। जो हमने सपने देखे हैं वो हमारे सपने साकार होने के करीब हैं। बस हमें अपने अंदर खुद के अंदर विश्वास रखने की ज़रूरत है और काम करना है उस पर। डेफिनेटली वो काम होकर ही रहेगा। इन द सेकेंड स्टेंजा, टू बिलीव इज टू सी angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of the starred sky and wisdom of the man in the moon. In the second stanza, poet is saying that we have to see angels in the sky. How we can see the angels in the sky? When we are very at the small age, we heard by the many peoples, our grandmothers, our grandparents, there are a lot of the angels in the sky. When we saw the clouds, we do the imagination, lot of the imaginations like angels, animals, lot of the things should be, we imagine within these clouds. Means we have to believe that there are angels in the sky and they are dancing in the clouds. We have to believe on that. The sky is the full of stars and we saw the moon, and within that moon wisdom of the man. Wisdom means what? The ability to understand inner qualities. And stardust having a magical quality means our sky is a full of stars, means lot of the magical qualities should be everywhere in the sky. And the wisdom of the man in the moon, that means we have the quality of to understand what could be that man have within that moon. यहाँ पे सेकेंड स्टेंजा में पोएट कहते हैं कि हमें जो अपने अंदर विश्वास है उसके थ्रू क्या करना है कि जो हम बहुत टाइम जब छोटे रहते हैं हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हमको कहानियाँ सुनाते हैं कि आकाश में एंजल्स होते हैं जो डांस करते हैं। हम बादलों को देख के, क्लाउड्स को देख के बहुत सारी इमेजिनेशन बनाते हैं, बहुत सारे चित्र हम अपने कल्पनाओं से बना लेते हैं। वैसे ही लगता है कि जो पूरा आकाश है सितारों से, तारों से भरा हुआ है और वो एक मैजिकल स्टार्स हैं जो कुछ भी करने की क्षमता रखते हैं। हम चांद को देखते हैं, चांद के अंदर जो हल्का सा दाग होता है उसको देख के इमेजिनेशन बनाते हैं कि एक बूढ़ा व्यक्ति है या जो जिसको सबकी स्ट्रेंथ को, अंदर की क्वालिटी को जानने की क्षमता है उसके अंदर, वो हम अपनी इमेजिनेशन को बना लेते हैं। तो उस तरीके से हमें अपने अंदर बिलीव रखना है, अपने अंदर विश्वास करना है और हमें आगे बढ़ना है उस विश्वास के साथ। अपने अंदर के विश्वास को कभी खत्म नहीं होने देना है। इन द थर्ड स्टैंजा, टू बिलीव इज टू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ अ नर्चरिंग हार्ट, द इनोसेंस ऑफ अ चाइल्ड्स आईज and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. Nurturing means you can see providing nourishment, or we can say care and protection. What our parents do with us. Aging means growing old. In this stanza, the poet is saying, like our parents who nourish ourselves, and the old age means our grandparents we have in the family, how they are loving to us, how they take care for ourselves, and through the innocence of the child's eyes. These all things teach us. By all these things we learn how to love. तीसरे स्टेंजा से पोएट सिखाते हैं कि हमारे जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं, घर के बड़े बुजुर्ग होते हैं, उनके हाथों से, उनके देख रेख से, उनके देखभाल से एक छोटे से बच्चे की आँख की मासूमियत जो होती है उसकी झलक से हम सीखते हैं कि प्यार कैसे करना है, किस सद्भावना के साथ हमें एक दूसरे से प्यार करना है और अपने अंदर विश्वास जगाए रखना है और अपने आप को साबित करते हुए, प्रूफ करते हुए काम को करते जाना है। अगले स्टेंजा में टू बिलीव इज टू फाइंड द स्ट्रेंथ एंड करेज दैट लाइज विद इन अस व्हेन इट इज टाइम टू पिक अप द पीसेस एंड begin again. In this poem, in this stanza, the poet want to say the two qualities of ourselves, that is strength and courage, we have to keep in ourselves. That is pick up the pieces. Pick up the pieces means return to normal after a shock or a disaster. Lot of the times in our life a very bad thing should be happen. Any of the disasters like could be happen in our life. So what we have to do? We should not take that and just sitting by it. We have to forget that all. We have to believe our strength. We have to believe the courage whatever we have within ourselves, and we have to go ahead with that belief. इस स्टेंजा में पोएट कहते हैं कि अगर हमारे लाइफ में कोई अनहोनी हो जाती है, हमें उसे भूल के फिर से अपने आप को मजबूत बनाना है और अपने अंदर जो ताकत है, जो करेज है, विश्वास है, जो निर्भयता है, उस पर विश्वास करते हुए हमेशा आगे बढ़ते जाना है। जो हमारे भावनाओं के टुकड़े हुए हैं यहाँ वहाँ, जो हम टूट चुके हैं, उसे फिर से इकट्ठा करके हमें मजबूती के साथ आगे बढ़ते जाना है। इन द नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा, टू बिलीव इज टू नो we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. Cherish means hold something as very clear and of great value. In this stanza the poet is saying we are not alone, God is with us. Life is a gift that given by God to us. We have to take that with both hands and we have to use it and cherish, as we learn that cherish. Cherish means to hold something with a great things. Like if we got the chance to gift of the life, we have to hold it and just do what we want. We have to prove ourselves. इस स्टेंजा में पोएट कहते हैं कि हमारा जो लाइफ है, जीवन है, एक गिफ्ट है जो गॉड ने हमको दिया है और इसे हमें अपने दोनों हाथों से पकड़ना है और उस विश्वास के साथ आगे बढ़ना है कि हमें जो करना है वो हो सकता है। वी शुड नेवर अलोन, हम यहाँ पे अकेले नहीं हैं क्योंकि ये लाइफ है गॉड की दी हुई है और वो हमेशा हमारे साथ है। तो हमें इस विश्वास के साथ आगे बढ़ते रहना है। द लास्ट स्टैंजा इज टू बिलीव इज टू नो दैट वंडरफुल सरप्राइजेस आर जस्ट waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. In this stanza poet is saying whatever we thought, the things what we decided that but wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. Surprises means what? The things should be like surprise to us, what we want, what we love. Lot of the surprises, whatever we don't expect it, the such kinds of the things should be going to happen in our life. Just we have to wait and work. What we dreamed, what we want, that are close to us, within our reach, means it is very close to us to get that things what we dream. So we have to just believe ourselves, then only it could be possible. लास्ट स्टेंजा में पोएट कहते हैं कि हमारे लाइफ में जो भी हमने सोचा है वह बस मिलने ही वाला है। हमारे सपनों को साकार होने का समय आ गया है, वो हमारी पहुंच के अंदर है। हमें बस उतना काम करना है। बहुत सारी सरप्राइज हमारी वेट कर रही हैं, जो चीज़ें जिसके लिए हमने मेहनत किया है वो बस होने ही वाले हैं। लेकिन ये कब पॉसिबल होगा? जब हमें अपने अंदर विश्वास होगा। उस विश्वास के साथ अगर हम काम करेंगे तो ही हमारे सपने साकार होंगे, जो कि बहुत हमारे नज़दीक हैं अभी। सो दिस वे वंस अगेन जस्ट रीड अ पोएम। To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a starred sky and wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teaching we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. In this poem, the poet delivering a message, a great message to each and every one of us, that we have to always believe within ourselves. If we believe within ourselves, we have a lot of the courage and strength within ourselves and we can do whatever we want. So that is the message of our poem. Now, we have the few questions you can see in the textbook at the side that is based on the poem. So let's solve it. Question number 1. What should one know and trust every day? Means what should one know and trust every day? What we have to trust? That every day is a new beginning. What is the answer of it? Every day is a new beginning. That everyone have to know and trust. The second one. What are the two supernatural references in second stanza? What the two supernatural references we are getting? So just see in the second stanza. Angels, the angels dancing among the clouds. Angels dancing among the clouds, the first one, and wisdom of the man in the moon, the second one. These two natural references we are seeing in this stanza. Now move for the question number 3. We have what two qualities are needed to recover after a shocking event? If we got the shock like a disaster, so what will going to help us to recover? That two qualities that we have, strength and courage. Strength and courage, these two qualities help us to recover for the shocking events. The next one, what kind of attitude does the poet advise everybody to have? Means which kinds of the attitudes we have to have ourselves if we are getting that kind of the things. So the answer will be in the poet what the message is delivering. So that is faith and believe in oneself, or we can say ourselves. That is the answer of the message, faith and believe in oneself. So this way we have the 4 questions at the side of the poem that we are going to do with the help of poem only. So as I saw that how we are going to find the answer of these 4 questions what we have, you have to do by yourself. And what the word meaning we have, that also you have to write and learn in your CW book. Once you are going to write the whole poem and recite it twice, thrice, whatever you want, and you are going to learn that poem. You should write the meaning and learn. And these 4 questions also you have to mention in your homework and submit in your group. The next video will going to say how you are going to complete that the exercises of this poem. Thank you so much.